All right, so here's the basic 6.5 horsepower, like the normal one that you always see, the 212, but we're looking to see if we can find the Ghost today. Yeah, see, the big difference is the max RPM is 3,800. I think the Ghost goes up to like 6,000 something. Dude, you're gonna be going. Okay, so we got a little bit of a curveball thrown to us. So here's the like OG Predator engine, the 212 that everyone's used to. So 6.5 horsepower, 8.1 torque. But then we got this guy right here for only 40 bucks more. And we were expecting to like be at more at this $300 one, but this one seems a little bit appealing because it's just a little bit more horsepower, but a good amount more torque. So it's a situation. It really looks like it's about the same size as this one. This one's just on like a raised stand. Oh, they have the same compression ratio. That's kind of interesting. Yeah, okay, yeah, this one, the max RPM is 3,750, so it's just a little bit more than the normal one. All right, so after some very, very slight research, we decided to go with the Predator 224, which is the Predator Max. Basically, it's just 10% more powerful than the normal 212, and it looks a little cool. It has some cooler colors. Yeah, 40 bucks more. Now, we realized if we went with the really cool looking Predator Racing, you know, yes, we do get like 30% more performance over the 212 out of the box, and obviously can have a lot more even, but we have to buy this whole entire accessory. Yeah, we just decided to keep it a little bit cheaper and try out the 224 and see how that goes. All right, the badge has been secured. We got the 224cc. We're a little, what was it, 211.99. All right, well, we just got it back in the garage and we're opening it up now. So once again, the Predator 224. A gasket? Yeah, a gasket. Oh, it came with some jets. This is depending on what level, like how below sea level you are, you know? Yeah, weird freaking funnel. Ooh, a rod. So that looks like a spark. Oh, this is for the spark. Okay, so they give you a spark plug wrench, which really most people should already have. But you really don't need it because it looks like it comes installed from the factory. Just make sure that it's installed tight. Make sure your spark plug boots all the way on. But yeah, I mean, air filter, the throttle, like literally everything's already pre-installed. So you literally just fill it with gas and oil. All right, so we just went to the gas station just because it was the closest. But they had some pretty good stuff. We just were able to get some SE 1030 Castrol. It's not like high mileage or anything, which is great. So basically what you're gonna do is you wanna get it to the very top of this, which will be a little bit hard to tell. Then we'll grab a rag and we'll just wipe off that excess oil on the bottom just so it doesn't, you know, smoke when it burns off slowly. But now we're gonna add some just regular 87 octane gas, which we have some just for like the lawnmower and stuff, and then we should be good to just start this thing up. The shaft will spin just enough gas to get it started while it's off the cart. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put it to the start position so it's choked. We got the gas turned to the on position. We wanna put this to turtle so that it's not like full throttle. Then we gotta turn our kill switch on. Here we go. You ready? Kill switch works. That wasn't as bad as I thought it might be. The only thing that holds this whole frame like on from completely coming off is the steering wheel. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get that off. But for now, we're just gonna go ahead and wrap up this video of the Predator 224. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than this. We didn't have to do anything. We just opened the package, put the right oil in it, put a little bit of gas in there, and then boom, you have a running and driving engine that you just need to hook up your accessories to. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment down below. We'll see you guys later. Make sure you follow for part 2.